at the Institute for Advanced Learning and Research. Our focus today really is on advanced manufacturing. We call our division Manufacturing Advancement as a play on words to really think about the future, much more focused on technology development, new processes and optimization within manufacturing. In order to do that, we have to be able to provide a very highly skilled and well-qualified workforce. So our manufacturing focus really dovetails nicely with the workforce development pipeline. From zero experience and mature learners to partnering with K-12 school systems where folks in early education in elementary, middle school, all the way through those who want to earn a four-year university degree have access to different training opportunities here. The very first program that was created was the third-year machining program, which we refer to as IMT, or Integrated Machining and Technology. That program was created in partnership with Danville Community College as a third-year machining program that teaches leadership skills to the students enrolled. Another area of focus for us in manufacturing is to have rapid launch space available for industry to utilize. And so we provide readily available plug-and-play space by way of rapid launch spaces where industry can hit the ground running and begin to manufacture and earn revenue immediately while they may be waiting for a facility to be constructed. One of the areas of focus in our Manufacturing Advancement Division is an accelerated training program called the Accelerated Training and Defense Manufacturing Program, or otherwise known as ATDM. This is a partnership that was created in partnership with the Department of Defense and the Navy. This 4-month accelerated training program is designed for mature learners to get the fundamental skills in 5 disciplines. Those areas of concentration are CNC machining, metrology or quality control, additive manufacturing, which is also known as 3D printing, non-destructive testing, and welding. Within these programs, students study for 4 months and they train 8 hours a day, and they earn industry credentials that prepare them for gainful employment within the defense industrial base. By the year 2025, we will train 800 to 1,000 students every year. Our partners in delivering ATDM include Phillips Corporation, Danville Community College, the Spectrum Group, and IALR. And the last area of focus for us really falls in our Center for Manufacturing Advancement. That Center for Manufacturing Advancement is designed to help industry optimize processes that they may not be able to do in their own facility. The future of manufacturing is one that is much more automated, and we have a commitment to remain above and beyond the cutting edge in terms of that, introducing and supporting that emerging technology. The last area within our Center for Manufacturing Advancement that's really unique and is an area of focus is supporting the Department of Defense and the U.S. Navy. Their Additive Manufacturing Center of Excellence is housed in our Center for Manufacturing Advancement. There really is a broad array of services that IALR can provide for industry, stemming from research services in our labs to readily available manufacturing space, to access to an extraordinary conference center, to customized training solutions and/or rapid accelerated training solutions that provide skilled workers. Industry has access to an incredible economic development team which provide opportunities to connect them with resources to continue to help them grow. So IALR's desired impact is to help build a region where everyone can thrive. We have a number of different goals, including to be Virginia's go-to region for business growth,